to be showing you exactly what $200 can get you on Temu. This is literally about 10 pounds of shit that I got from Temu for not even 200 bucks. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, it is very much worth it. But before we go ahead and unbox everything here, you guys are definitely going to make sure to stick till the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you a secret method on how you guys can use a hidden feature on Temu to make over $20,000 just like I have. Plus, if you guys did enjoy any of the products shown in this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link for you guys to go ahead and sign up for Temu. Well, you will get a 30% coupon and a $100 off coupon as well. So make sure you guys go ahead and stick till the end for that. But we're just going to go ahead and get into the unboxing. But as always, thank you for watching. Oh, this is my taxpayer services ID. You guys don't need to see that. And I'm going to show you guys the kind of stuff that you could get for Temu for just little under $200. All right, now that I finally got all this stuff out of my package, I'm just going to throw this over there. And the first thing that we're going to unbox is whatever this thing is. I'm not really 100% positive what it is, so let's go ahead and open it up. Oh yeah, I remember what I ordered here. I ordered some completely authentic, only for about 20 bucks, which if you guys sign up for Temu using that coupon code, not only get 30% off of this, but also whatever you buy, plus $100 off. So there's a chance that you could actually get this for pretty much free. And as you guys can see right here, for only about 20 bucks, this is a pretty nice product right here. Now, obviously, I'm not going to say what the actual name of the product is, you know, because walk around on them a little bit. You guys can see right here that this actually isn't that bad of a shoe, especially for the price tag that you're getting. It feels pretty comfortable to walk in. I kind of just wanted a pair of slide-ons that weren't my Vans, because personal preference, I don't like Vans. I know a lot of people do, I just don't. And I really like the design of these. What I will say is that I'm normally a US size 10, and I ordered a US size 10, but unfortunately it is fitting a little bit loose. It's not bad, it's like fine. But if you guys are gonna be ordering the same product as me, I'd recommend probably going at least a half size lower than whatever your actual size is, just to make sure that it fits right. Plus, since it's a slip-on, it doesn't have to fit on perfectly. You can kind of wear these Yeezy slides. These are some pretty nice Yeezy slides for the price, honestly. They fit really, really good. Next thing I got actually was this massage gun. I go ahead and hold down the button here. You can see it's just coming in here and massaging pretty nice. That's interesting feedback. Next thing I got is actually this leather carry-on bag. I've needed one for a while, and I'm not gonna lie, this one fits pretty nice. I'll go ahead and take it out to an airport one of these days, and then I'll be able to give like a full review. What I will say is I'm thinking about just cutting off these. Kind of inconvenient, and I really just prefer the strap. But what I will say, this is pretty nice. It actually does look pretty good. Decent leather quality. And for like 60 bucks, which is what I got it for, is just fine. Next thing I got was this leather jacket. This isn't real leather. This is like fake plaid leather, and it's pretty thin. I don't know if I'd recommend getting this, but it's not bad, and it looks fine. So as long as you go with that expectation, then you'll be fine. And then the last thing I got was this iPhone and Apple Watch charging case. This actually looks and feels pretty nice. I like the look of this. It's staying on the desk. It also has an AirPod charger that I'm not using for no good reason. And yeah, that actually looks pretty good. It's not bad for a $200 Temu haul. So now that we've gotten through all that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how you can make over $20,000 with Temu's affiliate program. So in order to sign up for the Temu affiliate program, what you guys are gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to the first thing in the description and copy and paste the code that I'm gonna be giving you. Once you do that, you're gonna be redirected to the Temu affiliate page, where you're gonna be able to go ahead and enter in your PayPal email address for instant withdrawals. And as you guys can see right here, I have withdrawn almost $19,000 from Temu's affiliate program. So I know for a fact that this is the affiliate program that you guys have been missing out on. It is so easy to get into Temu's affiliate program, and I'm going to show you a basic method that literally any one of you can use right now today in order to cash out from it. But before we do that, let's actually talk about what you're going to be incentivizing people by signing up for your code. What you're going to be doing is that you're going to be telling them that there is a $100 coupon bundle and a 30% off when they go ahead and redeem your code with your link. What this means is that people who sign up for your link/code are going to go ahead and get some free easy money within the Temu app just for the act of signing up with your account, which provides incentive, which is good for affiliates because then it makes sense for them to sign up with your thing instead of just looking it up. And what you're going to be getting when you go ahead and get someone to sign up for Temu is you're going to be getting a $5 download reward for each person that goes ahead and signs up. And then you're also going to get a 20% commission on orders placed of them downloading the app. On top of that, when you guys actually go ahead and get a certain number of referrals, you can go ahead and hit the $14,000 referral raise, which this will go all the way up to $5,000 bonus, which is absolutely insane. And there's no good reason not to get involved. On top of that, they also have the Temu seeding program, which is what I use to get all the products shown in today's video. Let's say you already have a active Instagram or TikTok, you go ahead and sign up with my link down below. You'll go ahead and get access to the seeding program where they'll go ahead and give you a bunch of Temu money that then you can go ahead and place your order with. So as you guys can see, there is no good reason not to be getting involved, but there's actually one more thing you should pay attention to, which is the $10,000 ranking race. If you go ahead and see right here, I just claimed a $300 bonus and I'm currently getting a $30 bonus. But if you scroll up here, you can see that some people are getting $3,000 bonuses. They're getting $3,000 bonuses just by getting people to sign up for Temu. Plus, they have instant withdrawals to PayPal, which then you can just put in your bank account. There's no good reason not to be getting involved with the Temu affiliate program today. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys an easy method that you can use right now to get some signups. So essentially what you guys are gonna do is that you are gonna create one of these videos right here that you can see on TikTok. Let's say you go ahead and create a video like this titled, "You Found the Best Temu Code," because everyone on TikTok right now who knows about Temu codes, and how you get Temu codes is from the Temu affiliate program. So essentially you would recreate this video, but instead of typing in, I don't know, whatever this guy's gonna type in, you would instead type in your own code, which for me it is ORD52476. You guys would go ahead and type this into the TikTok and you would just go ahead and create it. This video already has over 200,000 views. As you guys can see very clearly, this person probably absolutely cashed out from just making this simple video. Plus you can go ahead and show off some of your Temu hauls like this chick here, which as you guys can see right here, she will include her Temu code in the description of Temu. So when people go ahead and look up her code in the Temu app, that's when that code is going to be redeemed and she will get the $5 reward and 20% bonus. And you can see there is a bunch of chicks that have gone ahead and done this exact same thing. So there's no good reason not to get involved today. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more methods just like the ones I've shown you in this video that you can go ahead and use to absolutely cash out, I would highly recommend checking out my Patreon, where for currently a 7-day free trial, we only have a limited number of slots. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to build credit and your personal brand to go ahead and cash out online using methods just like the one I showed you with Temu. I actually show you a bunch more Temu methods just like it on here. I have every single one of my Temu methods listed. I also have business and personal credit guides, which then you guys can use to go ahead and get more popular online, because then you can buy stuff with credit that you wouldn't be able to buy otherwise. And then you can go ahead and use that online to go ahead and get more followers, get more engagement. Basically, if you guys know what the ATL money glitch, this is the real way of doing it. The ATL money glitch is kind of like pseudoscience, but this one is actually proven and it is far cheaper. I include a full guide on how exactly I make videos, on the methods of all of it. I have every single one of my methods linked and much, much more. So that's interesting. Make sure to go ahead and check that out with the first link down below, as well as make sure to sign up for Temu using my exclusive code. And we're just going to call it here. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.